Morning, guys. I'm here with the bro Zach. How you doing,
guys,
Zach?
good morning.
How was your sleep, bro?
Oh, beautiful. Fantastic. Can't
Beautiful
complain.
sleep. And we just had breakfast, guys, and check out the breakfast. Pancakes here, avocado smoothie here, watermelon, bananas, honey, a little bit of chili even. And look at the view, nice view out there. That's the Sapa vibes right next to the rice paddies. And over here, I'm not sure if you guys can see in the camera, but over here are some like monuments of the replica monuments from around the world. Like there's, looks like the Eiffel Tower over there, the Petronas Towers from Malaysia, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and Big Ben clock as well. So I'm going to go over there and have a bit of a look over there very shortly. But it's nice and serene here. The environment here is beautiful and it's nice and cool. And the family here are awesome as well. Fantastic. But today we are going to head into the city and get some drone vibes of the city. And then we're going to head to a supermarket and then head on out around the outskirts and check out some of the mountain area here, some of the valleys and the paddy fields and stuff like that. Unfortunately, they have not allowed people to go up to Fancy Palm mountaintop, so the cable car is not available at the moment until July 1st, which is a shame because I mean that's only like about a week or so away. I'm not sure if we're going to stay here that long, but nonetheless, I would have loved to go to the top of Fancy Palm Mountain, especially at this time because it's not as cloudy as most days here, and it would be good to see like the whole Sapa Valley, you know, the whole Lau Kai Valley, which would be awesome. Anyway, guys, let's head on out soon and check out some of the city vibes here in Sapa. All right, guys, we are here at Sapa Lakeside with a couple of friends. I got my mate here, Zach from Aotearoa, New Zealand, as well as our new friend here, Mr. Nam. How are you, Mr. Nam?
Fine.
He's fine, relaxing. He's also a local Vietnamese and he's from the homestay that we have been chilling out at. And he's going to show us a little bit around this area. So we're going to be looking forward to checking out some of the vibes. But we just wanted to show you guys this whole area around the lake here. You can see all the beautiful flowers here. They look like roses. And then there's this kind of monument thing here. And beyond that is the Lakeside down here. But look at the clouds in the background there. And this whole scenery here is quite beautiful. And look at all these hedges here, flowers. I mean, the vibes here are so beautiful, man. I'm actually going to throw up the fly cam and get some views of this lake and of the mountains in the background. And hidden behind the clouds right up there is Fancy Palm Mountain. Now, unfortunately, the cable car has been stopped due to the CV. So no one's allowed to go up there unless you hike up there. And if you hike from the foot of the mountain to the top, it takes around 3 days, which is a bit of time. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys the lake vibes. The lake doesn't look too bad. Probably a lot cleaner than Westlake. But this is Sapa, guys. This is like the main hub of Sapa. And usually at night, this whole area is packed with Vietnamese. Now there's no one because the Vietnamese, they don't like the sun. They don't like the sun getting on their skin. So that's why you don't see many of them here. But anyway, guys, check out those vibes. Beautiful. Beautiful. This whole area is beautiful, especially with the landscape and the mountains in the background there, man. And you know, the temperature here is around 22 degrees. We left Hanoi yesterday, it was around 38 degrees. And apparently it's going to get up to 40 degrees today in Hanoi. So I'm glad I'm not back in Hanoi. And you can see it's quite clear. There's hardly any dust or anything like that, which is brilliant. Anyway, I'm going to look for a spot to throw up the fly cam, because we want to get some of these fly cam vibes, guys. Fly cam vibes. All right. Let's throw up the fly cam and get some vibes here of Sapa, Vietnam. guys, so we are in the central part of Sapa. This is like the main area of Sapa here, and we're just here outside this Notre Dame church. I'm not really into churches, but that massive building across there is the actual cable car building, apparently where you take the cable car up to Fansipan. So and then this little auditorium here they use for concerts and stuff like that. But yeah, this is the church vibes. You can see some of the Hmong ethnic minority groups hang around this area, and they try and sell stuff as well. So you find a lot of them, a lot of hawkers as well. They try and like get you to buy. So we're just having a walk around with our friends from New Zealand and our Vietnam friend, old Zach, and Mr. Nam. Checking out the vibes of this church, Notre Dame, because Notre Dame is French, and this was colonized by the French back in the day. So you'll see a lot of French architecture, like that big massive building that we just saw over there. And there's all sorts of buildings here that have like the French architecture. So this church is 100 years old?
Yeah.
Yeah?
4 wheel by friend.
I've seen the real one in Paris. It's actually quite, yeah.
Small, but parents you see.
Pardon? Yeah, but I saw it before it burnt down in 2016. 2015. Somebody's buried here.
Yeah, also.
Some local people.
No,
Oh, French.
French.
Some French guy.
Yeah.
They've given him like a Vietnam name as well. Ting. Mr. Ting. And another French guy. Paul Ramon.
Oh, they died here and buried here?
Maybe. I don't know why. Maybe they built this Notre Dame church.
I never know why this like not pissed off with the French for like.
Just like, why aren't they peed off with the Americans for bombing them, you know, non-stop, man?
Yeah, but the French were here for so much longer and then like totally changing the culture and country.
Very lovely.
Lovely?
Very lovely. Just small, but very lovely.
Oh, nice, bro. Good photo. Mr. Nam taking his photos. Mr. Nam taking photo of Notre Dame. Anyway, nice little setup here with this tree.